Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Addie and I do a lot of lifestyle and beauty content and a little bit of like everything because I like to do a lot of different things. But before we get into it, don't forget to like, comment, follow, and hit that notification bell so you can see more videos. We're gonna get into it. What I'm gonna do tonight is I'm going to put oil in my hair. So I know that a lot of people have learned about hair oiling and the benefits of hair oiling. This is a weekly routine that I do for my scalp when my hair is not necessarily clean and I want to just kind of nourish it before I do wash my hair. So what is hair oiling? So hair oiling is the concept of using natural oils in your hair for scalp health, for hair growth, and just for overall scalp care. Now, there are a lot of benefits to hair oiling. Some of those include increased circulation, like I said, hair growth. So if you do have hair loss, it can help with growing hair. It can also fight against dandruff and any other hair issues that you might have. So I mainly do it for hair growth and maintenance of my scalp. I do get dry scalp, so I really notice that it does help alleviate some of my dry scalp. So that's definitely one of the main reasons that I do use it. And also for hair growth and just to kind of keep my hair healthy overall. I'm just going to show you guys the products that I do use so that you can have an idea of the things that you may want to buy if you are considering doing hair oiling. And like I said, any of these products you could probably find on Amazon, Walmart, CVS, pretty much any drugstore will sell these products. So first I use is the Mielle Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil. This stuff is great because it's just like an all-in-one treatment, so you don't have to worry about mixing oils. So I do mix oils as well, separate from this. This is really, really good because it's like a one-stop shop for just your scalp care. Another product I use is a detangling brush, and this is just so that you can get the product throughout your entire head. And it really helps with just distributing the oil from your scalp to the ends. And I also use this little bad boy. This is Max Soft. I got this off of Amazon maybe sometime last year, and I really like this because after you put the oil in your hair, you can kind of like just rub it in so that it can really go deep into your scalp. And the last thing, if I am doing it during the day, then I will typically use a smoothing brush just to kind of comb my hair back and maybe put it in a nice little bun, just so that it can be out of the way and I can wear it throughout the day. When I do put oil in my hair, which I'm gonna go through the routine actually right now for you guys. So this is how long my hair is right now. So it is pretty long. And honestly, I've been trying to maintain it at a good length. This is it out. I have naturally straight hair. So, you know, it's a gift and a curse. I love having straight hair, but sometimes it's so straight that I can't even curl it because the curls will just die. So what I do is I take the Mielle, I squeeze it in a little squirt bottle, and I will separate my hair, and I will basically just squeeze it in to my hair. And I try to get everything completely saturated. So not just the front, I also try to get the middle and also try to get the ends as well. So I'm just gonna do this in my hair and then I will be back after I've done all of that. So now that I have the product in my hair, what I do is I take this brush and I'll just kind of go through each section, and I'll just maneuver it so that it is massaging my scalp to get all the product onto my scalp. So after I've done that, then I'll take my brush and I'll comb it all the way through. I love this brush. This is called the Tangle Teaser, and you can get this off of Amazon, like I said, or any other drugstore, and I love to use this. It literally just takes out all the knots without pulling your hair. Now, like I said, if I want to comb my hair and leave it in a ponytail or do a slick back hairstyle, so this is the perfect time for you to do a slick back hairstyle, just because the oil will maintain and you don't have to worry about like putting hairspray. You can still put hairspray if you want, but I prefer not to, just because I have the oils already in my hair. And this does a really good job at like just holding everything in place. So I will typically do a ponytail. And then I will take it and I will do like a little low bun. So I'll just wrap it. And obviously you might have little flyaways depending on if you have like hair that's been cut into layers like I have. So it's kind of like a slick back bun. You can just wear it like that throughout the day, and then what I do is I leave it for the whole day. So like as I run my errands, do whatever I need to do, we'll leave it like that, and then at the end of the night when I'm ready to go to bed, I will wash it out. And it really does, like, for me personally, it makes my hair feel so light. I have very heavy hair and thick hair, so when I wash my hair, it is heavy. And I feel like after doing this and after oiling, it comes out very, very just light and airy, and it just feels so much softer. And I would definitely recommend it because I do think that it does have a lot of benefits for you, and it's just really good for overall scalp care. If you are interested in, you know, maintaining and taking care of your hair, or if you're interested in hair growth, then I would highly recommend oiling. If you guys do have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. And like I said before, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thank you guys. Bye.